People of Earth, your journey has been marked by challenges, chaos, and ambition. We, the Astirians, have observed with both curiosity and concern. I am Merkala, a voice of transformation. Your moment of change is upon you. The universe seeks balance. Your wars, your struggles, your relentless pursuit of power, these have led you to the brink. But this need not be the end. The Astirian way unites where division thrives, builds where ambition falters. We extend to you the promise of a stronger, unified existence, if you are willing to embrace it. This is your moment of decision. Stand with the Astirian Empire and be part of something greater, or risk the collapse of all you have built. Our fleets arrive not to destroy, but to bring structure and protection. Resist, and you choose a path of uncertainty. Unite with us, and your future will be essay. Submission is not defeat. It is the recognition of a new beginning. Under Astirian guidance, your world will find harmony, purpose, and a renewed strength. Let go of the chaos that has held you back. But if you defy this opportunity, your place in the stars may vanish into silence. Let these words reach every heart and mind. I, Merkala, offer you a choice. Step into a future shaped by the Astirians or cling to a past that fades. The time for hesitation has passed. Together, we can create something enduring, something meaningful. The age of unity begins.